Imagine a serene, quiet beach. The waves crash against the shore, carrying secrets and stories with them. As you sit alone, watching the sunset, a sense of peace washes over you. But beneath this tranquility, there's a subtle undercurrent of loneliness. Freedom. We all crave it. The ability to make our own choices, to pursue our passions, to live life on our own terms. But what is the true cost of this freedom? Is it possible that in our pursuit of independence, we sometimes find ourselves isolated and alone? In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to feel disconnected from others. We're constantly bombarded with information, and our attention spans are shorter than ever. Social media has made it possible to connect with people from all over the world, but it has also created a sense of FOMO, fear of missing out. We compare ourselves to others, and we often feel like we're not measuring up. The truth is, loneliness is a universal human experience. It's something that we all go through at some point in our lives. But it's important to remember that loneliness doesn't have to be a negative experience. It can be an opportunity for self-reflection and growth. When we're alone, we have the chance to connect with ourselves on a deeper level. We can explore our thoughts and feelings without any distractions. We can learn to appreciate our own company and discover what truly makes us happy. Of course, it's important to maintain healthy relationships with others, but it's equally important to have a strong sense of self. When we're comfortable being alone, we're more likely to attract healthy relationships into our lives. So, if you're feeling lonely, remember that you're not alone. There are countless others who have experienced the same thing. Embrace your solitude as an opportunity to grow and learn. And remember, even the most independent people need connection. Reach out to others, join a community, or simply find a hobby that you enjoy. The journey towards healing is a personal one. There's no right or wrong way to do it. But one thing is certain, by embracing our loneliness, we can discover a deeper sense of freedom and fulfillment.